In a world driven by innovation and technology, there's one force that's transforming industries, revolutionizing the way we work, and opening up new possibilities for everyone. Welcome to Making Money with AI. In this groundbreaking video, we will dive headfirst into the exciting realm of artificial intelligence, where creativity meets profitability and the potential for success is limitless. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start an AI-powered venture, a business owner seeking to optimize operations, or simply an individual curious about the immense opportunities AI presents, this video is tailor-made for you. Join us as we sit down with the brightest minds in AI, the pioneers who are shaping the landscape of tomorrow. Get exclusive insights, expert strategies, and proven techniques that will guide you toward profitability in the AI-driven economy. From cutting-edge startups to multinational corporations, we'll uncovering the secrets behind their AI-driven triumphs. We will also unlock the full potential of AI and witness the financial rewards that await you. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized numerous industries, and it's no surprise that it offers tremendous potential for making money. Get ready to witness the convergence of technology and prosperity as Making Money with AI takes you on an electrifying journey through the AI revolution. Let's get started. Invest in AI companies. Invest in AI-related startups, tech companies, or funds that focus on AI technologies and innovations, potentially benefiting from their growth and success in the AI industry. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with startups and tech companies at the forefront of innovation. Investing in these ventures allows you to gain exposure to cutting-edge technologies, groundbreaking research, and disruptive business models. As AI continues to shape industries and drive transformation, investing in AI-related entities can provide opportunities for significant financial returns. You can get high profitability from these investments. Provide AI-driven services. Offer specialized services like AI-driven content creation, data analysis, predictive modeling, or personalized recommendations to businesses looking to gain a competitive edge. For instance, by employing advanced data analysis techniques, businesses can extract valuable insights from large volumes of data. AI algorithms can process and analyze structured and unstructured data, identifying patterns, trends, and correlations that might otherwise go unnoticed. These insights can drive informed decision-making, enabling businesses to optimize their operations, identify market opportunities, improve customer experiences, and mitigate risks. These services have high potential and can be a turning point for your financial success. Start an AI consulting business. Provide consultancy services to companies seeking guidance on integrating AI into their operations, identifying AI opportunities, or implementing AI strategies. As businesses recognize the transformative potential of AI, they often require expert guidance to navigate the complex landscape of AI technologies, data management, and implementation challenges. By offering AI consultancy services, you can assist businesses in harnessing the power of AI to drive innovation, improve operational efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. To make money from an AI consulting business, focus on developing expertise in AI technologies and identifying target industries where AI solutions are in high demand. Build a strong portfolio showcasing successful AI projects. Network with professionals in those industries, offer specialized AI consulting services, and determine pricing models that align with the value you provide. Market your business online and offline, deliver exceptional value to clients, and aim to build long-term relationships. Stay updated with AI advancements, continuously innovate, and strive to remain competitive in the market. Offer AI training and education. Teach AI-related courses, workshops, or webinars to individuals or organizations looking to learn about AI technologies, applications, and best practices. By leveraging your expertise in AI, you can design and deliver educational programs that cater to a wide range of audiences. These programs can cover topics such as the fundamentals of AI, machine learning algorithms, deep learning techniques, data preprocessing, model evaluation, and deployment strategies. You can also provide practical insights into AI applications in various domains, including healthcare, finance, marketing, and more. To make money from offering AI training and education, start by developing a comprehensive curriculum that covers various aspects of AI. including machine learning, data analysis, and application development. Create AI-generated content. Use AI algorithms to automatically generate high-quality articles, blog posts, social media content, or even music compositions, which can be monetized through advertising, subscriptions, or partnerships. With AI algorithms, businesses can generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Whether it's writing blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, or even news articles, AI can assist in creating engaging and SEO-friendly content tailored to specific target audiences. This service not only saves time and resources, but also ensures consistent output and adherence to brand guidelines. To make money from AI-generated content, market your services to businesses or platforms in need of scalable content production. Explore different monetization models such as licensing content, offering subscription-based access, or partnering with content platforms. Remember, each of these opportunities requires effort, expertise, and continuous learning. It's essential to understand the specific market demands, keep up with AI advancements, and provide value that differentiates you from competitors. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of making money with AI. We hope you gained valuable insights and inspiration on how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your financial endeavors. As we've explored throughout this video, AI has become a game changer in various industries, empowering businesses and individuals to leverage its power for increased productivity, efficiency, and profitability. Remember, embracing AI doesn't mean replacing human expertise, but rather augmenting it. In this fast-paced digital era, staying ahead of the curve is essential. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or professional, incorporating AI into your financial strategies can unlock tremendous opportunities for growth and success. It's about harnessing the vast potential of data, automating routine tasks, and making data-driven decisions that propel you forward. Stay curious, seek knowledge, and embrace the transformative power of AI as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of making money in the digital age. Remember, the journey to success is a continuous learning process, and AI is your trusted ally along the way. So seize the opportunity, adapt to change, and let AI be your catalyst for financial prosperity. Thank you once again for joining us. Keep pushing boundaries, and may your path to making money with AI be paved with great achievements.